How to play Doom on browser 2025 full guide. Most people get this wrong, but playing Doom on a browser in 2025 is easier than you think. You won't believe how quickly you can start blasting demons without downloading anything. First, open your preferred web browser. Chrome, Firefox, or Edge all work perfectly. Then, search for Doom browser version 2025 or visit a trusted site hosting the game. Make sure the site is safe and ad-free for the best experience. Next, select the game version. Most browser versions allow you to play the classic Doom or Doom-I. Click play or start game to load the engine. The game will run directly in your browser, using HTML or WebAssembly for smooth performance. Before jumping in, check the controls. WASD moves your character, the mouse aims and left-click shoots. Some versions also allow keyboard shortcuts for grenades, weapon switches or pause functions. Customize settings if needed for sensitivity or graphics. Once ready, start a new game. You can play solo or try co-op if the browser version supports multiplayer. Practice movement and shooting mechanics because even offline, Doom is fast-paced and challenging. Finally, save progress if the browser version allows. Some sites auto-save your level, while others require local storage permissions. Always back up if possible to avoid losing progress. In conclusion, playing Doom on a browser in 2025 involves opening a compatible site, selecting your version, understanding controls and diving into fast-paced gameplay. With these steps, you can enjoy a classic instantly without installation.